We'll guide you through how to check if an iPhone is original or a fake. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here is the iPhone I want to go and check. Perhaps you already have bought this or you're thinking about buying it and you want to make sure that it's legit. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise you may miss an important part of this guide. To get started, open up the system settings. Then what you want to do is go and scroll down and find the option for General, and you can go and tap there. Then in General, what you need to do is you need to come into this section About, like this. Now, I will have to go and blur this, but you want to come down and go and find serial number. Tap and hold your finger on it, and then it will go and say Copy. Copy it. Come out of Settings and open Safari. Tap in the address bar and go and type in checkcoverage.apple.com, and you can then press enter. You'll be brought here. Scroll down to where it says enter a serial number and tap. Tap in here and press paste, and you can go and press submit. It will go and load, and as you can see, you can go and see this is a legit iPhone. It's come back. So you can see here this serial number came back with the info, and this shows that it's legit and it's official and it's original and it's not fake.